Go ahead and use a pry tool to go ahead and remove our center cap. Use a 19mm socket to loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. We're going to use our trim tool. We want to remove our inner fender liner. So we're just going to reach up between here and the liner and pop out our buttons on the other side. Pry and tap. And do this for the remaining of the buttons. Go ahead and remove our liner here. And take your little plastic trees here. I'm going to insert these to the back of the liner first. Once you have all those in, go ahead and install our piece here. I'm going to tuck this up into place. You basically just feed the button through the other side, and we're going to press that through and on. Continue this process for the rest of your buttons. You can go ahead and tuck this in. Go ahead and install your wheel. Get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once these are all on, I'm going to go ahead and snug those down. Go ahead and torque our wheels down to 95 foot-pounds. And go ahead and install your center cap by lining up the little ports here with your lug nuts and pop it on.